retrospect, this is 6 hours results. What's up my people, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time stopping by, let's hope it's not your last by clicking the subscribe button and giving this video the thumbs up if you eventually like it. So today we'll be reviewing again the AHA and BHA peeling solution. I already have a review of this solution in my channel. That video has a lot of views. You guys really loved that video. I'll drop the link somewhere, maybe somewhere in this video or in the description box, but no, I'll definitely drop the link somewhere. If you haven't seen it, you can go see it. But today I am going for the 1 day wow effect. So I have a lot of blemishes on my face right now, and I thought, you know what, why don't you try this miracle potion one more time and see. So I'm going to be doing everything right this time around, and I'll show you guys my result the next morning. If this is something you feel might interest you, then stay tuned. So I'll be using the oil cleansing method to wash my face. If you don't know about this method, I have a full video on how to wash your face properly for effective results. I'll leave the video down in the description box so that you can watch it after this one. But to reiterate, we already know the goodness that comes from using the oil cleansing method to wash your face. This oil helps to break down dirt, and also if you use sunscreen, this oil will also help to break down the components of your sunscreen so that when you wash with soap, it will be able to strip off every single dirt, oil, debris or clogs on your face. All right, there are different cleansing oils, but in this video I'm using rosehip oil as my cleansing oil because of the goodness that rosehip oil is. It's super moisturizing and it's really good with regenerating cells and, you know, clearing inflammation and all of that. So I'm sort of like killing two birds with one stone. I'm using it to really massage my skin and also using it to unclog my pores before I can wash my face. So I'll be using this glycerin infused cleansing bar to wash my face. If you guys can remember in my last video where I advised that whatever cleansing bar or face wash that you should use should be very soothing and gentle, shouldn't have any actives in it, and should not be harsh. So I chose this glycerin infused bar soap because my skin is super sensitive and quite irritable. So I'm tilting towards products that are more soothing than aggravating, and we all know that glycerin is an emollient and is also super moisturizing. That's why I chose it. And also don't forget to apply the 60 seconds rule while washing your face. If you have watched my old video, you would understand why. So now I'm done washing my face. I'm going to use a cotton pad and just dab off the excess water off my face. I'm not going to be using a towel. If you have time on your hands, it's even best to just let your face air dry. The less pressure you put on your face before doing this whole process, the best for you. Okay, so now my face is freshly washed. I'm going to let it air dry a little bit more, then I'm going to go in with my secret potion. Well, more or less like magic potion and not secret, because it's no secret. As you guys can see, this is my old bottle from the last video that I made. I haven't bought another one because I hadn't finished using the last one. I stopped using it at some point, so we're going to try it out now. So guys, remember, application, make sure that the stopper of this product does not touch your face. To be safe, just put it on your fingers. Like, as you guys can see, as I was dropping off my face, I mistakenly dropped it in a position that it's about to enter my mouth. So just to be safe, just put it on your fingertips and then apply directly on your face. You don't have to drop the thing on your face first before applying. You know, just drop it on your fingers, on your palms, and apply. Okay, that's just safer. All right, so Also remember to do this on very, very dry skin, because watching this video right now, I think my skin wasn't as dry as it should be, because that whitish stuff you guys can see on the screen right now shows that the skin wasn't as dry as it should be. So to be on the safe side, let your skin air dry for at least 10 minutes before you do this process, please, so that you can get the maximum effect. Okay, we're gunning for a maximum effect. So you're to leave it sitting on your face for 10 minutes. It's best if you set a timer so that you don't leave it for more than 10 minutes. Guys, this is an acid, so if the company says 10 minutes, please wash your face once your alarm hits time. Now you can wash your face off with just water. Water neutralizes acid, so you don't need to start using soap to wash your face. Just rinse it off with water, and afterwards dab the water off, and then start your remoisturizing process. So if this is going to be your first time doing all of this using this acid, you might experience some irritation, you might experience some redness, some part of your face might be inflamed. Also, I forgot to say that while applying the stuff on your face, you might also feel some tingly sensation while doing it. All of this is normal. One safety precaution you can do is to do a test patch on your palm to see how your skin will react to it first, and if your skin reacts to it normal, then you can go ahead and use it. But if you experience any of all of those, it's normal on the first use. Okay, so now my face is all freshly washed, and now I'm going to start my remoisturizing process. All right, like I said in the other video, this product makes your skin super sensitive to the sun. So yes, I'm going to be using sunscreen at night, because I know I'm definitely not going straight to bed after this. I'll probably still do some work on my phone and on my laptop, and those UV rays hitting my face, I already have a problematic skin. I'm just going to do everything to protect it the little I can. So yes, I'm applying sunscreen at night to go to bed. There's absolutely nothing wrong with it, and Black Girl sunscreen is actually super moisturizing, so yeah, that's a plus for me. To top all of that, I'm going to be using the rosehip oil once again, because we already know that rosehip oil hydrates and moisturizes really well, and it also helps to exfoliate and brighten skin, and most of all, it helps to reduce inflammation. I'm telling you guys this from experience. This oil is like my holy grail. Okay, so I'm going to apply it all over my face before I go to bed. All right. Who is excited to see what my skin would look like the next morning? I, for one, know that I'm excited, because judging from how good it was the last time, I cannot wait to see what my skin will look like when I wake up. All right? So now that I'm done with all of that, I'm going to put on my bonnet and get ready for bed. I'm obviously not going to bed now, but I'm just going to get ready for bed on camera for you guys. All right, so see you the next morning. So this is the next morning. This is what my skin looks like the next morning. You guys will have to forgive my voice because I'm still trying to wake up. I slept really late. I made that video at 1 a.m. and I woke up this morning at 6 a.m. because I have a really long day. I feel like I still have some sleep left in me that I cut short to do this video. Also, in retrospect, this is 6 hours results. So let me just come closer and show you guys what my face looks like. I'll reduce this light a little bit so you guys can see. Yeah, so I had some inflamed acne on this part of my face last night and they seem to have fizzled out. And on this part of my face, I could swear that these blemishes were a tad bit darker last night, but they seem to have lightened up. Can you guys see? Anyways, this camera, they've increased this light a little bit. Yeah. this camera isn't even doing justice to how good my skin is right now. I'll probably do videos with my phone and show you guys, but my verdict, definitely a game changer. Definitely a game changer. If you have a big day like a wedding or birthday or graduation, whatever the big day is, and you're looking to up your skin game in one day, I definitely recommend this product. Also for long-term use, I'd advise not to use this product more than twice a week. The company advises you to use it once or twice a week. When I was using it regularly, I was going for just once a week and I still got results. So please don't forget that this is an acid and it's going to make your skin sensitive to the sun, and I would never get tired of reminding you guys that you should use sunscreen. You should use sunscreen every day regardless of what you put on your skin. Not to talk of now that you'll be using alpha hydroxy and beta hydroxy acids on your skin. Please, these acids will make your skin sensitive. They are good for your skin, but they will also make your skin super sensitive to the sun. So please protect your skin, and if you can, just avoid direct sunlight completely. That will do your skin so much good, I'm telling you. That will do your skin wonders. So this is where this video is coming to an end. If you enjoyed it, please give me the thumbs up button and comment and subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. All these engagements help my channel, help YouTube to push my videos out there. Thank you so much for having watched up to this part, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. I will take better pictures of my phone so that you guys can see how popping my skin is, because this camera seems to be jagging my style. But yeah,